Hi, Ashley here, and welcome back to my natural skin nutrition solutions. This week I'll be showing you how to make my Nourishing Body Oil. Body oils actually seal and lock in moisture much more than traditional body creams. They will leave your skin healthy, glowing, and feeling gorgeous. Nourishing body oils will leave your skin soft and supple, and it's best to apply on damp skin after your shower or bath for maximum beauty benefits. So let's get started. So for this Nourishing Body Oil, it literally only requires 5 simple ingredients that result in nourishing, repairing, protecting, and healing your skin from the outside in. So we're going to start with the extra virgin olive oil, amazing stuff. And I'm going to use a cute little glass jar because I find it's just much better for the environment and for your health and for your skin. So try to use a glass bottle if you can. So I'll start with the olive oil. I'm going to fill quite a bit because this is one of the main ingredients. And then I'm going to take my organic coconut oil, which is, a multi-purpose beauty product for your hair, skin. You can even actually put this on your hair and have it as a really nice oil treatment and just wrap your hair in a warm towel, leave for 20 minutes or even overnight for really soft locks when you wake up. So we're going to melt some of this in the pan, so come with me. Okay, so I'm going to melt a generous amount of the organic coconut oil in a small pan. I'm going to use quite a lot. And you just want to melt it so it's pretty much goes into a liquid formation. So the coconut oil is going to help lock in and seal in the moisture on your skin. It also has a lot of healing benefits. So if you suffer from eczema, rashes, cirrhosis, this is going to be a natural form of medicine for your irritated skin. I'm next going to add a generous amount of the almond oil, which is rich in vitamin E, a potent antioxidant that is age-defying, it's inflammation fighting. So again, anything that is present on your skin, bumps, rashes, redness, irritation, a great healing remedy. 30 to 40 squirts. Then I'm going to add some argan oil. This is the king of skin loving properties. It's anti-aging, it's nourishing, it repairs, it protects. I would say about 10 drops. And then lastly, I'm going to add 5 capsules of premium potent omega-3. Amazing for your skin, so it's obviously important to ingest this by having fish, taking the supplement, but by putting on your skin, you're then also nourishing your skin from the outside in, especially the dryness in the winter. That's one of the main concerns of people during the winter is the dryness and skin like scaly skin. I suffer from it too, so I need a lot. That's why body oil is my go-to product for moisturizing my skin. Cool, like in your bathroom beauty cabinet is fine. Don't put it in the fridge. It'll end up freezing. Give it a good shake. I've made a bit of it's like a slip and slide oily mess right here. This would be also amazing post sun, if you're in the sun, the nourishing effects. By massaging body oil into your skin a few times a week, you're actually implementing Abhyanga into your wellness routine. Abhyanga derives from the ancient Indian Ayurvedic self-treatment traditions. By adding Abhyanga to your wellness regime, you're combining self-care, self-love, and skincare all in one, which will make you feel beautiful from the outside in and inside out. For the recipe, go to the link below.